Yeah, 10 degrees above normal today. And wait, there's more. It's going to be humid, too, so it definitely feels like a summer day today. So you know what? If you're a summer lover, I hope you enjoy it. If you're tired of the rain, I'm sorry. We're going to have to wait another day for that. Weather watchers watching these mild numbers, I mean, it's as warm now as it should be in the afternoon. A lot of folks, backyard numbers in the low 70s out on the island as well. Still very mild. A little bit more fog settling in into parts of the areas here have these numbers. Let's get the rain gear ready. So much rain yesterday, but I tell you what, one other thing is mushrooms. Have you noticed the mushrooms? This is a mushroom growing in a, yeah, look at that. I've got mushrooms I've never seen before. Phil, you know, good, our buddy Phil in the control room, he had a mushroom about this big. I mean, massive. So definitely mushrooms. Now, one of the things we're dealing with is the leftover results of yesterday's flooding. Numbers between 4.5 and 7.5 inches. And these totals, we picked them up in less than 2 hours. That's why we saw cars floating away. And even in the city, it was about 2 inches of rain. Greenwich Village, 2.25. I tell you what, it is too much rain. And we're going into this with this big, huge surplus. So any additional rain could cause some local flooding this morning on the island. And then we're concerned about gusty winds with severe storms this afternoon. Right now, yeah, it's a big lightning show just south of the Hamptons. A lot of these storms will miss the island, which is good news, but there's still enough rain where you could see some local flooding this morning. So that's going to slow you down. Tell you what, you're probably in better shape for school drop-off, and school pickup is going to be much better today because we have a break before the front pushes through. When it does, though, remember, it's going to push into this warm air mass with a lot of available moisture. So late this afternoon, there's the risk for some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms. Now, with that, wind could be a major menace. I mean, there's the novelty of hail, but wind, far more of a risk because I tell you what, with all of the soaking rains recently, trees are going to be vulnerable, so watch out for that tonight. Tomorrow, finally a break. Less humid, pretty mix of sun and clouds. Start with clouds, see the sun, 71. And then Friday, it looks like a shower event. Boy, the last model run is drying Friday out. We're going to leave the chance of rain in the mix for Friday, mainly in the morning. Notice it's cooler, and that gets us ready for a more seasonal weekend. And the weekend should be nice, and we deserve it. Tell you what, not a whole lot of nice things going on as far as the commute, right, Alex? No.